Hi, right, I've left my rollers in for an hour and a quarter. What I'm now going to do is spray my hair with hairspray all over. The one I use is L'Oreal Paris Elnet Satin Diamond Hold. Okay, let that dry for a bit. Now what you want to do when you take the hair out of the rollers is just put your fingers through the holes and gently pull your hair out. Okay, you don't want to tug at it. You want to try and preserve those curls as much as you can. My hair's actually a little bit longer than usual at the moment. I went to the hairdresser's yesterday and discovered the appointment was at a different time from what I thought it was. So, never mind. I find once my hair gets a little bit too long, the curls start dropping out a lot quicker. But depends on your hair type, I suppose, really. If you've got finer hair, it might actually last a bit longer than mine does. I did used to have a lot of natural curl in my hair. Right, so I'm just going to count the number of rollers I've used on this side of my hair, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 30mm on this side, and 1 2.5mm, sorry 25mm, and then 2 25mm this side, and let's just count the number of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now what you want to do, because this one's been curled under, or dried curled under, you want to flip it the other way round. So just twist it like that. Okay, and gently put your fingers through your hair. Again, once you've put hairspray on your hair, try not to fiddle about with your hair during the day, because the curls will naturally drop slightly. Okay, right, as I said in my tutorial where I was using the heat cap, I like to use Red Ken rough clay, but my hairdresser's run out of this at the moment, so what I've done is bought something similar. It's a rough paste, and I've just squirted that into this, and just put my hearing aids back in. Just literally put some on the end of your finger onto your hand, rub your hands together, it's very sticky, and just on the ends of your hair, just coat it with this paste. And it's nice because when it dries, it doesn't leave any marks, which is what you want really. You don't really want it to look as if you've put anything in your hair. And then just finish off with the hairspray. Okay, so that's it. That's my look for the day. And as you'll see from my other tutorial, I'll show you what it looks like at the end of the day, and you can see just how much of my makeup and my hair has managed to keep going for a good 10 hours or so. Alright, take care, bye.